If you want to connect Formidable Forms with Mailchimp, this tutorial will walk you through the full setup using Zapier so you can automate new form submissions straight into your email list. This is a great way to save time, grow your audience, and make sure every lead gets added without any manual copying or exporting. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create to start a new automation. From the menu, choose Zaps. This is where you build the connection between your form and your email marketing tool. Now you need to set up the trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. Click Trigger, then search for Formidable Forms and select it from the list. Zapier will now ask you to choose a trigger event. Pick the event that matches what you want, such as a new form submission or a new entry, depending on the options available in your account. After selecting the event, log in to your Formidable Forms account so Zapier can access the form data. Once your trigger account is connected, Zapier will prompt you to continue building the workflow. At this point, make sure the trigger is set up correctly so Zapier knows exactly which form responses to watch for. This step is important because it tells Zapier what data to pull whenever someone fills out your form. Next, click Action to add the second part of your automation. Search for Mailchimp and select it. Mailchimp is the app that will receive the contact information from your Formidable Forms submissions. After that, choose the Mailchimp event you want to use. Select the option that fits your goal, such as adding a subscriber to a list or updating an existing contact, depending on what Zapier offers in your setup. Then log into your Mailchimp account so Zapier can connect to your audience list. Make sure you choose the correct account if you manage more than one. After connecting, Zapier will move you into the action setup where you can map the form fields to your Mailchimp fields. This is where you match things like name, email address, or any other information from your form to the corresponding fields in Mailchimp. Take a moment to review everything carefully. You want to make sure the right form data is going into the right Mailchimp fields so your automation works properly. Once that looks good, click the option to build it in the top area if it appears in your workflow, and then continue to the test stage. Now click Test Run. This lets Zapier check whether the automation works from start to finish. If the test is successful, you'll see that the data moves correctly from Formidable Forms into Mailchimp. Testing is a very important step because it helps you catch any mistakes before your automation goes live. If everything looks correct, the final step is to click Publish. Once published, your Zap is active, and every new submission from Formidable Forms can flow into Mailchimp automatically. That means your leads, subscribers, or customers can be added to your list without extra manual work. And that's how you integrate Formidable Forms with Mailchimp using Zapier. You've now created a simple automation that helps you collect contacts faster and keep your email list up to date. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.